Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 no sound or audio. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go on search and then you need to look for sound settings. On sound settings, make sure that mono audio is on. If you're using Windows 10, you need to go to ease of access, then you need to go to audio and then mono audio will be, and you need to enable it. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to scroll down until you see more sound settings. Then you need to go to playback and make sure the device that you're using is set to default. In my case, is headphones, a high definition audio device. So you just need to right click on it and then make sure that that particular option is set to default. So for example, if I want to make digital output set to default, I just need to select it and then set to default. So make sure the hardware that you're using is set to default. Next up, what you need to do here, select your device, go to properties, then go to spatial sound, and then if it's off here, change it to Windows Sonic for headphones. If was selected Windows Sonic for headphones, turn it off and apply the changes and look if the problem persists. Another thing can be your volume mixer. So you just need to go to volume mixer, run the game, and then make sure it's not muted. For example, this app. Let's say it's GTA 5, make sure it's not muted and also it has the proper sound, and output device is yours selected, and input device, it really doesn't matter, it's a mic, but nevertheless make sure it's default or the right microphone is selected. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, go to Bluetooth and devices, then scroll down until you see, you just need to go to devices, then you need to scroll down until you see more devices in printer settings. Press on that, then find your basically headphones that you're using, right click on it, go to properties, then you need to basically, for me there is no such setting, but for you should be, if you're using Bluetooth device, for you should be here services tab, and then after you open up services should be hands-free telephony, right? Option under the service. So what you need to do here, you need to turn off a hands-free telephony and apply the changes. And then you just need to launch the game. And in game, I will show you what you need to do next. So on these options here, go to audio here, make sure that this option is off, mute audio on focus loss here. And also if you use a Bluetooth headphones, make sure it's on headphones. And if you're using, for example, not Bluetooth or headphones like with a wire or speakers, you just need to select surround speakers or stereo speakers and your audio should work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.